I want to talk to you guys about quite possibly the best quads ever built. Check it out. Well, dang, guys, I've never done a video on one of these. Not too bad. Carb's a little crustaceous. This is a Honda 200SX, and we're gonna send it, dudes. We're putting new battery in it, cleaning the carburetor. These are sporty little quads. Don't be thrown. I bet it's a sporty quad. It's got the suspension in the front. It's got a suspension in the back. Yeah. It's semi-auto, but if you want to, you can pull the handbrake when you shift. If you want to feel like a real badass, just pull the handbrake. Yeah. I should just do that to somebody when they get, dude, hold the clutch. So we found this thing on Marketplace, pretty cheap. And I'll let you guys know though, this is the first quad I ever drove right here. It's my first four-wheeler I ever drove was one of these, a road, and then an ATC 110, and then a 250X. But this was the first one. I didn't own it. I was just a wee little kid, about 4 years old. But man, it was awesome. And then I get on them as an adult, and they feel sportier than so many quads. It's hard to get a quad that small that has a 5-speed box in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. An electric start, and like riding that 90 right there, there's no comparison, even though that quad ain't that this quad ain't that much bigger. That motor's really big for the
size of the quad.
Yeah, the motor's big as hell for the size of the quad, for sure. Well, I was installing the battery and broke it, and we're working on the air filter situation. But I just choked her. We got fuel in the old filter. Yeah, buddy. Oh, finna be stoner bashing time. It'll be Honda time. Oh yeah. She cold. Yeah, sporty. Hey dudes, let me tell you something. That might be, pretty sure if I shot at it, it wouldn't make a difference.
We need to try that. Hold on.
Yeah, let me try. Orion's like, oh, I'm pretty sure it will. God. So we working this weekend, right?
Yeah.
Old quad just getting whipped on, dude. Prefers it that way. I've never seen anything like it. She actually prefers to be treated like shit. Frank Reynolds. Almost lost her fellers. They'll go down any trail, dude. I wish they had the airbox. You could go to the headlight on it. But man, some of the best quads ever made right there. Semi-auto, you just foot shift it. Has reverse, electric start. Let's see if the battery charged it all. You got some janky key on here. Yeah, it did charge. So it was 2 turns. We got 2 turns that time.
Yeah.
Dude, that's funner than a 200X.
Yeah.
It's torqueier somehow.
Oh yeah, it's got way more power.
Yeah, it's geared lower. Yeah, you can feel it in reverse, huh? You back up, you're like, oh, she's topped out.
Yeah, it's like 3rd gear.
Dude, they'll pull a trailer.
Like 2nd gear.
That thing's a ripper, you guys. We're gonna clean it up a little bit. You know what I've heard of people doing? They did like a 185S or a 200S in a TRX 90. Dude, this would have been so cool in it.
Yeah.
Dang, TRX 200SX, maybe one of my favorite four-wheelers ever made. Because they're sporty, man. They're solid. They'll go anywhere. They're awesome little quads, so I've always enjoyed them. And if I see a good deal on one, I'll probably pick it up.